It's the 16th, it's 20 past 5. I've just finished a field of canola and we are heading back to the yard, fill up with more canola. On our way past to our next field, it started to rain. We've got a storm on the way. Yes, another storm. Southwest Saskatchewan doesn't really get much rain, but right now it's kind of having a bit of a bumper season. And that was the lake I was sitting around. Obviously we're in the 84 foot 995 that identifies as a 680. I went till 3 a.m. last night, and Mike, no not 3, I went till 2:30 a.m. last night, and then Mike hopped on, shifted me off, and then I shifted him back off again at about 9 o'clock. And we travel about 14 miles on these gravel roads. Yeah.